As we read the biblical account of Noah's Ark, not only was Noah and his family preserved, but so were one pair of every animal, bird, reptile, and amphibian. Many wonder if the ark was actually big enough to hold a pair of every creature. So in 2014, physics students at England's University of Leicester initiated a study to determine if Noah's Ark could actually hold all these creatures. To determine this, the students first needed to calculate the ark's buoyancy. They used the dimensions provided in the biblical account and the commonly accepted view that the gopher wood was probably cypress. Using the Archimedes principle, the group determined how much weight the ark could safely hold. Next, they had to find out how many animals, birds, reptiles, and amphibian pairs would have been taken on the ark. They went with a high estimate of around 35,000 pairs. Others, like taxonomist Ernest Mayr, puts the total closer to 21,000. But there are a couple of caveats. First, the Bible says that Noah took one pair of every kind of animal in Genesis chapter 6, verse 19. This means Noah may not have taken a pair of coyotes, dingoes, hyenas, foxes, and wolves as an example. One pair of canines was sufficient. This would have significantly reduced the numbers even more. Secondly, Noah did not need to take full-grown animals. In some instances, juveniles would also have worked. Next, the students needed to determine their total weight. Based on other research, they concluded that the average weight of all the world's creatures would be equal to a sheep, about 51.7 pounds. From that, the physics team concluded that the ark could hold 2.15 million sheep compared to the 70,000 max that would actually be on it. The ark was more than capable of holding all the necessary animals. Others have challenged if ancients had the ability to build an ark of this size, but as many have pointed out, modern engineers still haven't figured out how the Egyptians built the pyramids, but we know they did.